Okay, today's May 26th. I pulled this up to see what the issue was underneath. I was worried about mold and everything too. Not seeing any mold. Rotted wood, lots of rotted wood. There's no support here, and that seems to be one of the problems that's causing the toilet to tilt and teeter. When the wood warps from the leak that was back behind there, and a leak that was coming through here, the wood started to warp, which allowed the toilet to weigh down. So I'm going to put some supports here and another support back in there, so there's not going to be any of that. And then shimmy up a little more wood to raise it up just a tad because of the warpiness, and then reapply